La Guardia is located in the Rioja Alavesa region of northern Spain, renowned throughout the world for its excellent wines. La Guardia lies at the foot of the Sierra de Cantabria mountain range, just to the north. These mountains form a natural barrier between two weather systems, the Mediterranean system to the south and the Atlantic to the north, creating a unique microclimate. Originally created as an irrigation lake, the Prau de la Paul is now a protected biotope. A number of interesting species breed here every spring and include the purple heron, grey heron, golden oriole, great reed warbler, marsh harrier, bearded tit, water rail, and on occasions the night heron. Very near La Guardia there are three endorheic lakes, the most northerly lakes of this kind in Europe. Carravalseca, Musco, and Carravalseca are natural water basins formed solely by rainwater, and consequently in summer they often dry up completely. But in spring and autumn they are the resting place for many ducks and waders during migration. Around the largest of these one can find the ecological vineyards of the same name, Carravalseca. And among the vineyards, the winery has created a beautiful garden with wonderful views of La Guardia and the mountains. There, visitors can sample the traditional cuisine of the region and the superb wines of Casa Primicia. To discover the true history of winemaking in this region, nothing better than to visit the old winery, Casa Primicia, which stands in the center of the village of La Guardia. It is the oldest civil building in the town and possibly the oldest winery still in operation in the world. 9 meters below street level, these ancient wine cellars, some of the deepest and most extensive underground cellars in La Guardia, are now used for aging some of the winery's most exclusive vintages. After a visit to the old winery, just wander around the narrow streets of the town of La Guardia to discover its people, its history, its traditions and cuisine. One of La Guardia's most outstanding monuments is the extraordinary 15th century portico of the Church of Santa Maria de los Reyes, the finest example of polychromatic architecture in Spain. You will always be welcome to discover our history, our ecological projects, and of course our wines.